Hello everyone, good morning. This is me Avishka and the bulletin today starts with Apple dominates Google tablet market with 31.7% share in quarter 3 2024. Telecom equipment prices in India 35 to 40% lower than in western markets, say experts. ChromeOS M130 introduces new AI powered features and productivity tools. New Android malware, FakeCall redirects bank calls to cybercriminals. HDFC Bank announces temporary suspension of UPI services for maintenance. Realme GT7 Pro set for November launch in India with Snapdragon 8 Elite. WhatsApp introduces custom chat list for enhanced user organization. In the previous quiz, we asked you what does GPS help us with? The answer is navigation. It's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. What is the full form of PDF? Confident you've got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune into tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you nailed it. Stay tuned. In the previous quiz, we asked you what does GPS. Let's start with the first news. Apple shipped 12.6 million tablets in the third quarter of 2024, securing a 31.7% of the global market, achieving a modest year-over-year growth of 1.4%, according to IDC. The back-to-back school session boosted sales, especially for the new iPad Air model. Samsung ranked second with 7.1 million units and a 17.9% market share, driven by the success of its low-end Galaxy A9 model and commercial deployments. Amazon came in third, shipping 4.6 million tablets with an impressive 111.3% growth. And Lenovo fell to fifth place, despite seeing a 14.7% over-year-over sales increase. IDC noted growing interest in AI-powered features, with AI integration expected to influence consumer buying decisions in the coming year. Innovation like Windows Surface Copilot Plus are seen as early stages development that could reshape the market, particularly by driving up average selling prices. Now, telecom equipment pricing in India and China are 35 to 40% lower than in markets like Europe and North America, according to Ashwinder Sethi of Analysis Mason. This price gap is attributed to the scale of operation and the need for vendors to maintain revenue growth in markets like India, where average revenue per user is among the lowest globally. India's 1.21 billion telecom subscribers make it the second largest market after China, offering significant business opportunities despite lower margins. Major telecom operators like Jio, Airtel, and Vi, alongside equipment suppliers like Nokia, Ericsson, and Samsung, are actively involved in India's 4G and 5G rollout. Now, we have Google's ChromeOS M130 brings a suite of new features aimed at enhancing productivity and user experience. The update introduces a redesigned focused mode that helps users manage their time effectively by enabling Do Not Disturb, setting focus time, and creating tasks. ChromeOS now offers a Google AI-powered recorder app which transcribes, labels, speakers, and summarizes content. New appearance effects for video calls are available, although limited to Chromebook Plus devices. The update also includes Quick Insert, a feature that allows easy insertion of emojis, GIF, and Drive Link using a keyboard shortcut. Additionally, brightness controls have been improved, enabling users to manage display settings directly from the app. ChromeOS M130 also introduces the AI-powered Help Me Read feature for summarizing text and conducting question and answer session about the content. These updates reflect Google's commitment to enhancing both functionality and ease of use across ChromeOS ecosystem. Now, a recently updated Android malware named FakeCall is posing a serious threat by redirecting bank calls to cybercriminals. First identified by Kaspersky in 2022, the malware employs a technique known as vishing or voice phishing, which tricks users into sharing sensitive information like credit card details and login credentials. Once installed via malicious APK, FakeCall prompts users to set it at the default dialer, gaining control over incoming and outgoing calls through the accessibility service. This enables cybercriminals to intercept calls to banks and extract personal information. The malware operates with a deceptive interface that mimics the official Android call screen, making it hard to detect. It spreads through websites that impersonate the Google Play Store. To protect against fake call, users should avoid installing apps from unverified sources, regularly reboot their devices, and utilize antivirus tools. Now, HDFC Bank has scheduled two maintenance windows during its Unified Payment Interface services, which will be temporarily unavailable. The first maintenance period will occur on November 5, 2024 from 12 a.m. to 2 a.m., followed by a second window on November 2024 from 12 a.m. to 3 a.m. During this time, consumers will be unable to make financial or non-financial UPI transaction through HDFC Bank's current and savings account, RuPay credit cards, and popular UPI platforms like Google Pay, WhatsApp Pay, and Paytm. Merchants using HDFC Bank's payment services will be expected to experience disruption. The bank urges consumers to plan transactions accordingly. The maintenance is part of HDFC's efforts to ensure seamless service and system upgrades. UPI has become a critical component of India's digital growing landscape, and service downtowns are expected to be minimal. We have Realme, which has announced the launch of its latest flagship smartphone, the GT7 Pro. The Indian market scheduled for November 2024. The GT7 Pro will be the first smartphone in India to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, offering improved AI capabilities and enhanced performance. The phone will also ship with Android 15 out of the box. As the third GT series device to launch this year, the GT7 Pro aims to position itself as a premium choice for tech enthusiasts, offering advanced AI-driven features alongside cutting-edge hardware. Realme's GT series has consistently focused on delivering high performance at competitive price points, and the GT7 Pro continues the trend. The company is expected to reveal more details about pricing and availability closer to the launch date as it prepares to compete in India's rapidly growing premium smartphone segment. Last but not the least, WhatsApp is rolling out a new feature that allows users to create custom chat lists, enabling better organization of conversation. With this update, users can finally categorize their chat into personalized lists such as family, work, or friends, making it easier to manage and prioritize messages. To create a list, users can simply tap the plus button in chat list search bar, name the list, and add chats to it. This feature allows for renaming, deleting, and reordering lists to suit the user's preferences. The new functionality is designed to improve user experience by reducing clutter and helping users quickly access important chat. The custom chat lists are a part of WhatsApp's ongoing efforts to provide users with more control over their conversation, especially for those who manage large number of personal and professional contacts. This feature will be rolling out in the coming weeks. This was it for today's news. Stay tuned to IT Voice for more such tech updates.